वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. My name is Jasdeep Kaur, also known as Kenny Gogia. I am the holistic health coach. Today is Hukamnama from Sachkhand Shri Darbar Sahib Amritsar by Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji at tongue 7:30 of Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji asks a very surprising and beautiful question. What scale can we measure Almighty? What weight can define Him? The answer is very clear and simple. None. So let's read the Hukamnama and then understand it, and let's see how we can implement in our day-to-day life. सूही महला पहला, कौन तराची कवण तुला तेरा कवण सराब बुलावा, which means what scale, what weights and what assayer shall I call for you, Lord? कौन गुरु कै पह दीखिया लेवा कै पहे मूल करावा, which means from what guru should I receive instruction, by whom should I have your value appraised. Then Guruji further says, मेरे लाल जियो तेरा अंत न जाना. Oh my dear beloved Lord, your limits are not known. तू जल थल महियल परपूर लीना, तू आपे सरब समाना rahau, which means you pervade the water, the land and the sky. You yourself are all pervading. We human beings weigh everything: marks, money, followers, likes nowadays on social media, even people. She's better, he's less, I'm more successful, he's an achiever. But tell me, can you weigh the ocean? Can you price a smile? Can you measure love? So Guru Nanak Dev Ji is saying, stop calculating, start experiencing. Almighty is not an object to count. He is the very space in which everything exists. Life is not about having. It's about being. Being in wonder, not in judgment. Being in love, not in comparison. Being in surrender, not in control. Remember Pailena ji? Others said, this task is dirty. He said, this is my Guru's command. No calculation, only surrender. This is how he became Guru Angad Dev Ji. The moment he dropped measuring, he became immeasurable. So how do we live this today's Hukamnama? Next time you look at someone, don't measure. Just be with them. Next time you sit alone, don't calculate achievements. Just be alive. This is how you touch the divine. So let's implement this Hukamnama in our day-to-day life. So here's one small assignment for you. It's a small challenge just for 24 hours. Catch yourself every time you compare or measure. Catch yourself every time you compare or measure. Wherever comparison or just you start measuring the thing, drop the scale and ask yourself, who am I being right now? Who am I being right now? Write it down, share it, live it. So the question is not how big is Almighty. The real question is, how open am I to experience Him? How open am I to experience Him? So implement today's Hukamnama and then you share your experiences with me. Take care, be balanced, be happy. Tan Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji, Sarbat da Pala, वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह.